Hi, I'm Josh. I'm here to show you how Josh CPD can save you hassle and time in recording and filing your CPD credits with your professional body. It can take up to 15 hours of valuable time every year to carry out this laborious task. But don't fret, Josh CPD was created to change all that. It's a simple solution that allows members of any professional body to record, file and track their CPD credits using a smartphone. The whole process takes less than a minute and couldn't be simpler. 1. Members download a QR Reader app from the Apple Store or Play Store if they haven't already done so. 2. They scan the dedicated QR code at the CPD event, which routes them to their professional body's portal. 3. They log in to register their attendance, which instantly records and files their CPD credits. As well as being easy to use, Josh CPD is very flexible. It can be used anytime, anywhere, such as conferences, meetings, in-house training, journal clubs, or online. All that's required is a smartphone. Another big advantage is that there's no need for paper files or certificates, so there's no more last-minute rush for end-of-year compliance. Using Josh CPD, members are reassured that their CPD is safe, accurate, and up-to-date. For the professional body, Josh CPD streamlines the CPD management process, making it easier to monitor and validate members' CPD. Professional bodies can simply integrate the software into their business systems under their own brand. There are no data protection issues, no new hardware, cards or codes required. It's a simple, cost-effective solution for all concerned. To find out how Josh CPD can save you time and money, visit our website www.joshcpd.com or email us at info@joshcpd.com. We'd be happy to give you a free trial and show you how managing your CPD can be hassle-free and paper-free.